everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. I'm Melanie and my channel is mainly food haul videos, daily, weekly and weekly food hauls, although I don't really do weekly food hauls anymore. I predominantly shop at Marks & Spencer's and Asda. Now and then I will go to other places. Yesterday you will have seen the first part of this, which was my Marks & Spencer's weekend food haul. This is the Asda weekend food haul, so this will go with what I showed you yesterday. Some of the things that I showed today and yesterday will last me longer than the weekend, but predominantly this is for the weekend. So I'm going to show you everything that I've got. So the first thing I picked up is this 2 litre bottle of Pepsi Max. I bought some onions. I don't think we've got any. I just quickly looked and we don't, so I'm going to pick them up. They're 50p at the moment, they're on offer. I picked up these upholstery car wipes for my car. They're £1. I really want to have my seats cleaned, but I can't really afford to get my car valeted. And they're not super filthy, so I was just looking to see if there was anything for car upholstery, and I just saw these wipes and I thought these would be quite easy. So I don't know if they're going to clean them much, but I thought I'd try them. And then of course there's going to be some other cleaning items in here towards the end of the haul, because Mrs. Hinch is totally inspiring me. I just picked up these window and glass wipes. I just want to see if it's quicker or easier, because sometimes I can't be bothered to get the spray out and the kitchen roll and do it that way, so I thought I'd just give it a try with these. I think they're like 80p or something, or 60p. They were super cheap, those wipes. I got a 4-pack of Kinder Bueno. I got a Hovis Tasty Wholemeal in medium. It makes amazing toast if you're really into toast. It makes like the crunchiest toast I've ever had. I got some Outpour soy chocolate individual ones. I got these last week or the week before, and the strawberry ones, and they were really nice, so I picked up 1 pack. I would have picked up more, but literally all the shopping was in my basket and it was way too heavy, so when you see all my shopping, it was literally all in a basket. I got these mini jacket potatoes. I got a Galaxy salted caramel. Normally at the weekend I get 2 large Swiss chocolate bars from Marks & Spencer's, but they didn't have any of the milk chocolate ones in, so I've had to get other chocolate. That's why I got this. And the Kinder Bueno, it's meant to last me a week, but I've been eating too much chocolate, so hopefully it will last me a week, but who knows. Got paracetamol, Nurofen. I got 3 orange Lucozades. I'm quite ill at the moment, and Lucozade helps me feel a little bit better. I try not to have more than 1 a day, and that's why I've got 3. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, although I have had 1 today, so it'd be Saturday, Sunday, Monday. I got a small semi-skimmed milk. Normally I get the filtered milk, but they had none in the semi-skimmed left, so I ended up with that. I got 2 1.25 litre bottles of Diet Coke. I got a Dr Pepper, had one of these already earlier. I got this, Mrs. Hinch recommends this, and I've already got one of these and I like it. I've been using it on my cooker. I've got a stainless steel hob, and I'll use this first, and then after it I will use the Sif stainless steel spray, and then it makes it look brand new. You can use it on other things as well, but I've mainly just been using it in my kitchen, but I might get another one for my bathroom. These are on offer for £1. Then I picked up another Sephora. I've got this cinnamon one that I picked up in B&M, and I keep meaning to go to B&M and get more. They're probably sold out by now, but this keeps going in and out of stock. Every time I try to get it, it's been out of stock, and today they had it. They had clean linen, but I'm typically not into clean linen scents. I've not smelt the Sephora one, but I don't think I like it. And then I got dishwasher tablets. I don't have a dishwasher, but Mrs. Hinch puts them down her plugs. Like, she'll put one in a plug, and then she'll put boiling water on top, instead of doing the soda crystals and the vinegar. I do have the soda crystals, but I don't have the vinegar, so because she does this as a quick cleaning solution, I thought I'd try it. These were the cheapest they did. I think they were about £1.50 or something like that. They did have another one by Asda, the Asda own brand, and it looked really nice and it was in a nicer packet, but it was £1 more and they were basically the same thing. So I thought I might as well just get these because they're cheaper. So I'm going to do one on my kitchen sink very soon. Then I picked up this Nivea Deep Cleansing Face Wash. It's obviously for men. I think it was an offer for £2. So I got that. Then I got 2 shaving gels. So these two were together. This was an offer for about £1.80 and this was 65p, and I couldn't quite believe it was 65p. It's really nice packaging. So I'm going to see how I get on with it. I don't think it's going to be as good, but it's good for if you're on a budget and you need some shaving gel. So if it's quite nice, it's just something to either save some money or if you've not got much money one week. And in the Marks and Spencer's haul, I forgot to show one item because I'd opened them. So I'm adding these on at the end. It's the 8 chocolate coated salted caramel cookies. These are really nice and they're on offer at the moment as well. I think they're £1.50. And that's everything from Asda today. I know it's a long haul, but I'm explaining some of the items that I've picked up. If you have any questions about any of these items, any of the cleaning products, what I think of them, or any of the drinks, because it's mainly drinks and cleaning products, then please leave them in the comment section, and as soon as I see your comments, I will reply. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell notification. There you get an alert every time I upload a similar video. I'd love to get to 1,000 subscribers, so it'd be amazing if you could subscribe to my channel. I'll be back very soon with another food haul, and thank you for watching, everyone.